a farm-raised salmon, but it's nice and pink.
Yeah.
And that's what you like. If you can get wild, that's the best. We'll put this together. We'll get this thing rolling, ready to go. Take our onion, and we just want nice slices. So we're gonna just break these up. I want nice pieces. Then we need to put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of this thing.
Yeah, so it doesn't stick.
Make a bed of the onions. Put a little salt and pepper.
A little pinch on that. A little kosher salt
again.
again.
Kosher salt. Next thing we want to do is we just want to make some wagon wheels, very thin.
Yeah.
So we'll put that down. We're going to take just a little bit of dill.
And just lay it in there.
Just lay it on the
slap old fishy boy.
Right down on top of there.
Poor little fishy.
Okay. Take a little bit of a zester. If you've got a zester, there's a lot of flavor and oils in the rind of a lemon. So I just take that and I scrape some. So you get these nice long strings.
Pull and scrape.
Olive oil on here to have everything
On
adhere
top.
to it.
Rub that in there.
Not too much. Remember, you just want the flavor of your fish. Take the lemon, and then on the top here, I don't want all of the stalks.
Sure.
And I'm gonna shave. It's not real hard.
Sure.
Get some of the bigger stalks out of there. Give it a real rough chop. I want it to look nice.
Sure.
We just want to put it on top of the fish. The lemon that we zested, cut that in half, take a little bit and put it over the top of the fish.
That's gonna taste great.
And then we're done. We're gonna bring the sides in and we'll kind of leave it a little bit open up on the top here.
Yeah.
A little bit of water. I'm not gonna pour it over the top of my fish. I don't want anything
underneath it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could use some really nice white wine. That would be tasty if you can throw a nice wine in there. And I highly suggest using a wine that you actually like to drink. If you're not gonna drink it, don't cook with it.
What we wanna make sure is that we preheat our oven. I like it up to about 425 degrees.
Okay.
About 15 minutes or
Sure.
so. You wanna check it before you bring it out, but you don't want your salmon to be dry. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get this tented up here. So we wanna crimp on the ends.
Yeah.
Bring this together. Want to bring as much of this up as we possibly can. We don't want to cover it all the way. Want it to have some breathe.
Venting.
This is ready for the oven.
It's awesome. Then let's do that.
All right. All right. Make sure it gets down here in the center rack. Goes into the center of the oven. Don't burn yourself. And
voila.
We're done.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh, very nice. There we go.
You like your dad's cooking?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You're positive you're not lying? How's that?
Always.
Oh yeah, get that big bite.
Very good.
Don't waste any time on that. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in. Oh my God, unbelievable. It's so good. See, look, they're going for more. See, because if it wasn't any good, they would have stopped eating a long time ago, right? Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe, and we'll be in touch.